got a little bit of tread showing over here. Better watch out. We're gonna have to buy some tires. We're gonna have to buy some tires. Right there. Right there. Oh man. No bueno. It's not good. It's not good, y'all. You know what it is? We going to the store. I'm dropping her off. I'm going to the store. I'm gonna get some water. Go get some water. You know what's good? We got a problem. Check engine lights on. We're about to go hop over to AutoZone and see what it's all about. All right. What's up, y'all? I got something good. I got something good, and I got some bad news. Got some good and some bad news. Went into Wally World and I believe it was 9 pairs of work shorts for $1. Well, not $1. They're $1 a piece. So I got them off for $9. Can't hate that. And I got something very spectacular. Let's see, look down in there. Ooh. Can't be mad at that. Frosty Sunday, boys. Alright, so the check engine light, we're going to try to fix that. I'm not sure what it is exactly. There was no solutions found, but it's the idle air control system. It's getting all wonky. And then catalyst converter system is all messed up. For 1 and 2, I'm about to get that tuned out again. Figured it'd be alright, but you know, stuff happens, and we'll get it fixed. We will get it fixed. I have no doubts about it. That's probably what we're going to go do. We're going to go eat our food. Look at the mountains. Man, good old mountains. But we're going to go eat our food. Try to work on the car and get the check engine light done. I cleaned the air filter and it went away, so I'm not really sure. I have one thing. I think it might be the ported throttle body. That's the only thing I can think of. Maybe it got ported too much. I mean, it's not like a it's not like a big gigantic deal, but we need to get it fixed either way. Bad thing about Virginia, a lot of police officers, and you can't have a radar scanner. They won't let you. They want to get you. So that's why it's best to have fun at the drag strip. Hopefully that'll be the thing. Make this car a drag car. Try to beat some V6 world records. I mean, if a GTR can do it, we can do it too. The only problem is you're gonna have to have a built engine to even do anything like that. There's some good deals on some rods, all 6 of them, and then the forge rods, Jack Fab forge rods, and then gonna have to work on, I don't know, I mean, there's just a lot to do. I mean, you got E85 already, so that's good for whenever you run boost. That's good. Cold air intake, you know, it's a little bit, not much. My tune, the whole exhaust custom. I ain't got no cats or nothing. Resonated X pipe, MRT V1. There was a dead deer that was there, poor thing. Rest in peace, dead deer. But yeah, there's gonna be little things we gotta work on. Big thing's gonna get some weight out of here. Get some weight out. These things, even in the V6, is heavy. 3,600 pounds, I think, something like that. With me in it's probably about 4,500 pounds, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna quit man-blambing, jam-blamble, bam, 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 get a bang, gang, bang, bang, blam, blam, blam. Okay, we're gonna quit talking. We're gonna go ahead and get on to it, eat the food, and I'll be back when we start working on the car, I guess. Yep. Let me slow down. Oh gosh. But yep. And I'll see you guys when we work on the car. See right there? That's what we're trying to prevent. Anytime it's in park, it does that right there. So I mean, it's got to be. It has to be the throttle body. Has to be. Yeah. Unreal. You're trying to fix it here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the throttle body off. We got the stock one over there. That one's a ported stock one. We're gonna take that off and put the stock one back on there, the non-ported one, and see if that'll fix the check engine light. Pretty sure it will. Pretty sure it will. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse on this one. So yeah. So we got the stock throttle body right there. You can tell the difference there. That's the stock ported right there. Stock ported. You can definitely tell the difference for sure. Yep. Well, we're going to go ahead and put the stock one back on there. As you've seen in the time lapse, it's pretty easy. You just take all the 4 bolts on, then you just take it out. This one right here is the suckiest one right there. But once I get it put back on and get that in there, I'll be back. All right, we got everything plugged back in. We're going to go ahead and see if everything works. I'm gonna get in the car, start it up, and see how she rolls. Alright, well, there's a lot to update you guys on. I got the check engine light gone. It's gone. I'm guessing that's because I removed the negative terminal from the battery. Anyway, I've decided to go ahead and change the spark plugs. We got, let's see here, AC Delco's 41109s. It's iridium spark plugs. We're gonna go ahead and get these, change the spark plugs out, because once I put the old throttle body back on, it started doing this with the throttle. RPMs went up and down, and it died on me when I was parking at AutoZone. So we're gonna go ahead and change the spark plugs. Hopefully that fixes everything. I'm not 100% sure on what to do, but we're gonna figure it out. So once we get that figured out, I'll let you know. I'll try to do a time-lapse video of everything. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit. We got everything put in. All I had to do was 10 millimeter bolts right there on every single one of them. Unplug these right here, pull them out, pull the packs out, get down in there with a you seen the long 5/8 bolt there, and pull them out, put the new ones in, put a little bit of de-electric grease on there. I don't know if I was supposed to put them on the plugs or not. I did anyway. Hopefully that doesn't screw up anything. So yeah, we did that right there, and I'm gonna go set this up and start the car and see if it'll have a bad idle. All right. What's going on, guys? I think this is going to be the end of the vlog. There's a lot of the stuff that's happened since the last time we spoke, but you know, still can't get it figured out. I sent it to Will to work on. I'm gonna send him a log right now, and hopefully that that log will get it done. That'll fix it a little bit. If not, then we're gonna have to figure out something else. I have no idea what's going on. I don't know what's wrong. No idea. Change the spark plugs, still happen. Switch the throttle bodies, still happen. So I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea what's going on. But that'll be the end of the video. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.